There's no way this will make you jump higher.
What?
I don't know what the point of these are, honestly.
All right, Luke and Kelly, welcome home.
Feels good to be back. Feels great to be back.
So our lost children of the corn that scattered down the cornfields and went to LA have returned.
Thank you for having us.
Kelly, Wakasa, hashtag Team Wakasa, and Lucas.
Just say Luke.
Okay, so we got a special surprise for y'all. We said, you know, you've been away for a little while. Go ahead, come have a seat.
I'm like kind of scared.
Yeah, you
it's
probably
like I have PTSD.
Probably should be a little scared. But I think you're like a born natural at this.
I saw it on the board. Something.
You
to do with
did?
shoes.
Oh no!
I don't know what it is, but I'm just flashbacks of the moon shoes all over.
Yeah, let's open it up and see what's in store. Dang. You're young.
Yeah, you're young.
You're not.
Oh snap.
Straight from the 80s?
Yeah, they look really old.
Jump soles. These guys are not
This guy is dunking.
What?
Jump soles.
Yo, I'm pretty close to Duncan.
Plyometric training platforms.
That's an ankle breaker.
You think so? No. All right, let's pop this bad boy open and see what it says. Jump soles, plyometric training platforms. Jump soles use the principle of plyometrics. What does that mean? Can you look that up, Uzi? Plyometrics to add explosive energy to your jumping and sprinting. Just strap jump soles over your shoes and follow the training manual.
It means jump training. Yeah.
When you take it means jump training. Plyometrics, also known as jump training or plyos, are exercises in which muscles exert maximum force in short intervals of time with the goal of increasing power, speed, strength. This training focuses on learning to move from a muscle extension to a contraction in a rapid or explosive manner.
These shoes?
Yeah. Okay, so when you take jump soles off, you'll feel the amazing spring in your legs. Get ready to fly. Cuts your 40-yard dash by 0.2 seconds. 0.2 seconds.
That's pretty fast.
Is it?
Yeah.
Like, wow, he trimmed
Should we
off
do a
0.2
Should we do a
seconds.
40-yard dash now and then see after?
Actually, yes, literally we should. So what do? We time you guys running, then you're gonna play a game of skate, and then we time you guys running afterwards.
What the?
I thought, Ozzy Dan said, I don't know if they're gonna be able to do anything in these. Of course you will. You'll be able to do tons, right?
What is this?
What do you mean, what is this?
Do you run with
It's
them?
a jump sole.
Like, you run in.
Well, I told him to read the training manual.
So you can learn how to do it.
Oh, they actually fit really good. Probably we should read the directions because there's a lot of straps. Where'd the training manual go? If you guys remember Luke and Kelly, leave it in the comment below. If you guys think they'll run faster, leave it in the comment below. Brenna, not Brenda, has officially figured it out. If you think her name is Brenda, leave it in the comment below.
There's no way this will make you jump higher.
What? Stop! It's plyometrics. Didn't you go to school?
This is good for my calves.
See?
Yeah, no,
That's
I
what
can
I'm
feel
saying.
it already.
Like right now.
I never.
It's not a sprained ankle. If you sprain your ankle, I'm sorry. Let's time him running.
See if it even works.
Yeah, let's.
Like, look at this guy in the box. They expect me to jump and dunk like that guy.
Literally.
I'm not pulling up to the park with these.
When you take jump soles off, you'll feel the amazing spring in your legs. Get ready to fly. Yeah, legit. Pull out the hoop. Should we time them running first, and then they play the game of skate?
I can't imagine there's science behind this.
Yes, there is.
I don't know what the point of these are, honestly.
Kind of feels like
They're just uncomfortable shoes.
you want to learn how to like step on your toes or something else.
I feel so fast.
Dang.
You sound really fast too.
I feel like a horse. Now what?
Well, there's two options here. Either you guys jump right into the game of skate, or we time you running, then play the game of skate, and then time you running afterward, and see if it improved your, if it cut 0.2 seconds off of your 50-meter dash.
Wait, so do we run it with
Without
it
the
on?
shoes.
Without
Oh,
the
yeah,
shoes,
let's
and
try
then
that.
And then you play the game of skate because then you're like, you know, you've worked out.
Okay.
And then after and see if it improved.
Okay.
So wait, we take them off now?
Yeah. And then run. Well, I must say, the box is. Straight out the gate. He got me. Hey,
I scare you?
Scared the crap out of me.
I just drove so fast.
He's like, I couldn't help it. Okay, let's run. On your marks. Get set. Go. I think he's gonna fall. Wow. 8.9 seconds. Screenshot that. I've literally never seen anybody run that fast either.
Well, you're about to see it again.
On your marks. Get set. Go. Rough start. You got this. Let's go. 10.09.
Well, now when we edit it, I'll run super fast. So it looks like bad start.
All right, put the jump soles on. Let's do this game of skate. Do you think they're gonna get faster? Leave it in the comments below. How many times do I say in this video, leave it in the comments below, hashtag notification squad, I'll send you a prize.
I want to see like a video of this, like the before and after. I guess we're gonna find out, right?
This is the video.
I'm gassed. All right, let's get this game of skate going.
Yeah, that's the spirit.
Well, which way do you want to film it?
You guys playing flat or you playing full park?
Which one?
It's up to you,
Wanna
okay?
see falls?
When you played, when you did the moon shoes, you did full park.
That was more entertaining, probably. Right?
You wanna do full park?
Yeah, let's do full park.
Okay.
Full park and flat. Someone's got to land a kickflip or something.
Well,
Yeah,
that counts.
That
Like,
counts.
Yeah,
It
okay.
counts. Okay, you ready? Rochambeau. Boom!
I got some practice.
Crew Casa goes first. Oh, no. You land primo like this. Did you say switch?
Switch.
First try? He's dropping in switch? No. For real? Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy! That was really good, actually. Whoa! Wow. We got a game on our hands here, people.
Please.
We need like a coach for this guy. He doesn't know anything.
I'm what? Oh, no, I'm not winning.
I think I should tighten my shirt.
He's got this. Leave it in the comments below. Oh! There's no way he's got this. Oh! He's not even trying. There it is.
Actually, I feel like I had it, and I don't know what happened.
Oh, wall ride fakie.
Still a thing.
Your front wheel has to hit above the line.
Which
Which line?
The main one. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh!
I'm gonna try to air out.
Hold on. Let me get the slow-mo.
Can I do one practice drop-in?
No. This is a game of skate, dude. What do you think this is?
Okay, fine. Feeble fakie.
People fakie? Air out.
I don't know if I can drop in.
On the big side as well.
Aaron just wants me to fall.
No, they do not.
I need a tight.
I couldn't think of a harder trick on those than a feeble fakie. Can you? Leave it in the comments below.
Sketch.
Super sketch. Wow. I'm glad we have the world's best athletes here today, because I would have taken a letter. Maybe two.
Gotta go quick or else I'm not gonna do it. Ready? Yeah, Bad idea, bad idea.
You were really close. You got it. Next try.
I'm not faking.
No! Body! You okay?
I feel like I farted mid-fall.
The fart easier fall? You're like, ah! Made it better.
One more try here. It's going down 100% next try.
Like, we couldn't possibly do anything. Let's go to the mini ramp, blunt, nose blunt.
The adrenaline is so high. Nothing hurts.
That's actually amazing. Like, actually amazing.
Scary. Way too big.
You had that.
Just got nervous.
Why did I try that? I don't know.
Just get the hoops on the board.
What do I try?
Think TikTok. Try that. Yeah, there you go.
This is sketching.
That's smart.
Sketchy part is dropping. Like this.
I thought for sure the second he landed down here, he was just. These guys are great. If they should just move back, leave it in the comments below. You have to what? You have to grab like that, yes. That's the trick. He thought he had it, but he didn't.
Any trick requests?
Advice?
Trick requests.
Yeah. Drop in on the big one.
That one? Isn't that the same?
Yeah, just the same.
I don't know. Should I try it?
That's my boy, Blue! That's my boy! Let's get him to cheat. Like, Wakasa just comes out of nowhere with the ease and style and grace of just the easiest tricks. You never think.
Tried the impossible.
$10 says Luke is getting a letter on this.
You get speed wobbles before every trick.
That hole's no big deal. It's fine. He's a professional. I did not. Remember what he did on the mini ramp? That's what I thought he was gonna do. Only I thought he was gonna really eat it. Proud dad moment. So much can go wrong right now.
I almost clipped.
Body! If you think he's gonna land this, leave it in the comments below. If you think he won't, leave it in the comments below. switch, kickflip. He can't do it regular, or nollie, or fakie, but he can do a switch. You didn't land it, but your hair looked great.
Thanks.
Last letter. You gotta go out with a bang. Braille drop.
I don't know. Shove it down the 3.
For real, a shove it?
I mean, I already said it. I didn't even land the shove. Yeah, you didn't even land the shove.
Oh yeah.
Not only did he not land it, but they're like going primo. I don't want him to land primo off the 3 stair. It's true, he didn't say which shove it. This is your chance to take him out.
Why? Now he's gonna land this.
That was really well done. That was really good. Oh, laser flip.
Scary. All right, full send.
And there can only be one champion, and it is Kelly! All right,
I never know how to do after.
just like, thanks mom, thanks dad. Okay, now we're gonna time the runs again.
With the shoes on?
No, without them on. How
So
many
wait.
times do we have to go over it with these guys?
I don't get what the training was with the shoes. Like, what do
Okay,
you, what exercises
do a
you
couple jumps up and down this, like this, I think. Why is the box like falling over? Oh, it's my favorite box.
Oh, okay.
You good?
I'm ready.
All right, now take him off.
Whoa! Yo, it feels weird to go like heel toe. I feel like I could just dunk so easily right now. For real? Honestly.
I just feel like my ankles really hurt. Like there feels like there's balls in the back of my heels.
3, 2, 1, go! I feel like it's legit going fast. Run through!
9.44.
Dude, you should have more than 0.2 seconds.
I was actually trying. That was sad. The first one I didn't try.
On your marks. Get set. Go! Wow. You like let out a very intense breath. You don't need that hat. Run it through, run it through, run it through!
That one wasn't as good.
8.71 versus 8.9.
Hey, it said 0.2 off though.
True.
Okay, these are incredibly hard.
Go for a kickflip.
First try, what do you give me?
$1.
Really?
He's gonna do it. Never misses.
I don't think I've ever seen Aaron miss a kickflip.
Now the pressure, you gotta say that kind of stuff.
Wow, you're so good at kickflips.
It's all about the foot position, really.
I've never seen one.
Oh! I almost broke my ankle. You can't roll your ankle. You can't roll it. Dang, I really had it on that first try. Somehow let me down. I could have got $1. Let's go! All right, get these off. All right, a huge thank to these beasts for coming up here from Los Angeles. You can check out their channels in the description below. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to ride a skateboard. It is your time. It's time to go.